Ayun.
Ten seconds. 5 seconds.
If I'd known I'd end up here, I'd have stayed in Dark Reef Prison. Go on.
All right, get ready.
Right.
Hater, guro na ako yan.
All part of the plan.
All right, everybody, 30 seconds.
Singa ako nag-hater.
All right. Good.
History will be made on this day. Not actual history, make-believe history. Fiction, I guess.
Stay out of my way and maybe you won't get hurt. But I doubt it. Right.
Ang dala ng guide diya. Naman natay core lang diya.
Over here. Psst. This way.
First blood!
Right.
First blood. And a point well taken.
I'll take that. Careful.
Sa Gwen. First blood,
Okay.
believe to.
Nga may ano, kanang core ng ano ay kanang
Okay.
guide.
Right through here.
One brain. Bison 5 brain.
That's right.
Saan ako nabutang sa respects?
Nice one.
Okay.
Your tongue. Don't get caught. Yeah. Right. These fingers. I got this one. Yeah. You sure? Right. You sure? Nope. Right. You're mine now. Yeah. Come on. Nice one.
Nope.
Yeah. I see it. Oh, hello. I'm under attack. Psst, this way. Okay. Right. That's right. Yeah,
5%.
don't get caught. Over here. Now you're talking.
Ito na, ito.
More like it. Right through here.
Oh, ka-choke. Ka-choke po. Hook na po.
Go on.
Nakita na ka-choke.
Go on. You're bound.
Di pa trailing pa ba? Di pa trailing.
Right.
Duha ka tail hook o gatong stun.
Good. Nice little ball.
Masterfully designed.
Ay, bibilsak ng dito.
Nice one.
Ulit ako salvi.
After him. Right through here.
Switch.
Careful. It's a beatdown. I'm under contact. Right. There's no escape.
That was unreal.
Listen, Tom.
Na-choke.
Good stuff.
That's right.
Lahi may na hook.
Oh, that got annihilated.
Ito ba?
Now you're talking.
Ito dito. Ah! Lalang sus! Ah!
All
Nawala.
part of the plan.
Tura. Hoy!
But dude,
Hindi, bira siya lumatay din.
don't get caught.
Hey, your top tower's under
Hook
attack.
sabay.
You sure?
Axes, please!
Here, fishing. With a bit of little fish. You caught
Hey.
the limit.
Ito wala.
Yeah, so thick I'm choking on it.
Kailan ka?
Over here.
Shoot. Hey, wait lang. Ah! Kala.
Killing spree!
Ay,
Now you're talking.
namatay.
Part of the plan.
Ay,
Ay,
nakota kasi to. Kulong ko.
magali. Nakuha lang ko gamay sa edge lang sa ano.
This way.
Edge lang sa...
Go on. Nice one.
I'll take that.
Take that. Don't get caught. More like it. It's a beatdown. Over here.
Kalab. Durang mas...
Not ready. Right.
Ano na isa siya?
All right. I got this one. You'll be sorry.
Oops. Dapat i-back na ko. Sorry.
Free again.
Mega kill!
Hindi
Right
lang.
through here.
Lag, lagi.
Okay. Yeah.
Ang bilis.
Hey, sport. Careful. Yeah.
Kami... Patay.
Right through here. Hello.
Gaya na lang daw.
There's no escape. Yeah. That's right.
Your middle tower might need a little attention. I don't like your odds here. Your middle tower's taking a beating. I don't see the benefit of letting them kill your towers, but you're the expert.
Right. I got all the hands you need. Right. All right. You sure? Don't get caught.
Okay lah. Alah. Nabuhay naman. Kapit namatay. Isus yung kalaban.
Nice one. Over here. We got rid of little fish. Yes. I'm under attack. I'll be out of this mess in no time. Death tax. Okay. All part of the plan.
Yun ang Mars.
Right.
Libig-libig.
Now you're talking. I see it.
Dagan. Ah, diba?
Right. Your body was a cat. Over here. You're bound.
Double kill!
That's you.
Ay. Okay. Alam. Ay! Agay! Walay kuha. Agay, layo ato. Okay.
Worst day fishing
Oh
is
no.
better than the best day.
Tinuod na.
I'm under attack.
Double kill!
Right. It's not
Might want to haul ass over to your top tower.
this
You are not going to like this. They are really tearing that thing to pieces.
Kita
sure.
Do you need your top
Kita ba
tower?
nila?
I'm only asking because it's being destroyed. Oh, no, your top tower. Former top tower, I should say.
All part of
This is wala
Do you
na
need your
beses
top
ako.
tower? I'm only asking because it's being destroyed.
yeah. Okay. Right.
I'll take that.
Nice one.
Virgin, no?
Yeah. Right
Dude.
through here.
Regeneration.
Don't get caught.
Nagkagawas.
Go on. Now you're done. Yeah.
The top tower is down.
Go on. Thanks for that.
Antay.
Slark's got his eye on you. You're mine now. More like it.
Double damage.
Right. Oh, this is going
Nako.
swimming.
Oy. Ang BKB.
Yeah. Don't get caught. I'm under attack. Come out. You never
This is ang kuha na. Yun na Mars. Ah, Mars!
this way.
Dito Marcy.
Right. Now you're talking. Right. Yeah.
The middle tower is down.
Good.
Yan, sunod sila ba?
Okay.
Oh, you found me.
All part of the plan. Gotcha!
Ayun.
I'm not. More like it. It's not time yet.
Haste.
Right
Nagkuha mo
through
yun ang
here.
duha.
That's right. Ready to spin? You
Your middle
sure?
tower might need a little attention. Ah, it'll be fine. All right, middle tower's down.
Where you come from?
I'm open all night.
Yeah. Right. Over here.
Right.
Durot na smoke.
Nurot ka.
You sure?
Yan rami sige smoke niya. Duha rami yung Jakiro.
Now you're talking.
Ako naman duha.
There's
Ang
no
draw, layo
escape.
kayo.
Nagsulor mo sabi. Pero gaya naman na siya.
This way. Over here. On your belly and crawl. Yeah.
Might want to look into your body.
Ikawat sa kuan barubik ang kuan.
Bring a little fish. I see it.
This is ang Mars. Dito.
Basher. That's right.
Dito layo kayo sila mga mga.
Go on.
Hook lang. Ala na hook siya doon.
Don't get caught. Right through here.
Shit na siya. Sila eh. Ingat kayo din.
Yeah.
Lang.
Kansas Mars.
Right.
Ito lang mga support ako mapatay tapos wala na.
Siguro si Kuya Rubik.
True.
I thought we was friends.
Ayun. Ay, wala.
Your middle tower's taking a beating. Oh, man, look at them go. They are destroying the hell out of them. Your middle tower might need a little attention. How do you like your middle tower? I hope you like it destroyed, because it is.
Ba't tayo may push lahat? Yawa nag-build.
Let me out of
Peter.
here.
Aba na.
Yeah.
Your bottom tower's under attack there. Wow, that thing
Yeah.
could really soak up some punishment.
Nice one. Careful.
Cool ka. Dulu si Machuk.
Might want to look into your
Baru
bottom.
ato.
All right, bottom tower's down.
Isid ba?
Killing spree!
Anong didalo siya yung ginakyo?
This way. You sure? Don't get caught. I'm under attack.
Ay? Tara.
Gotcha. Like that.
Stop them so hard it's going to turn into wine.
Right through here.
Kaya ko.
Might want to look into your bottom tower.
Mana? Ini saya.
Bottom tower's under attack there. Look at those structures. Woo! 45. Might want to look into your bottom
Ya,
tower.
berapa?
Are you letting them do this?
Bah.
If this is an insurance scheme, say no more. I can keep on going. When you can get to it, your bottom barracks is being dismantled. Oh, you let them take out your bottom barracks.
Nanti didalo sang gipalit.
The middle tower is taking a beating. You fortified your structure. Your middle tower might need a little attention. Middle tower, we will miss you. Largely ignored, badly protected. Goodbye, middle tower. Good news, you have a pile of bricks. Bad news, middle barracks. It used to be your middle barracks.
Escaping death is easy when you've broken out of Dark Reef. Right. can't hurt you. Nice one. I got this one. Now your turn.
Wicked sick!
Your middle tower's taking a beating.
Monster kill! Double
I
kill!
wouldn't worry about it though, it's not so...
Fishing.
No, that looks pretty bad.
So na din may skill.
Go on. Yeah.
Godlike! Triple kill!
Magmagahi ato karuban.
Gihapa ng game kibe. Miss siya sa Medusa.
Ay, di dalos. Magahi.
Careful.
Pero wala na eh. Bisod na niya.
It is
Hey,
pretty
ganun
fun
na ilan.
destroying towers. Your opponents must be having the best time up there.
Right.
Sige lang.
Might want to haul ass over to your top tower. Your top tower is gone to be with the big brick in the sky. Your middle tower is taking a beating.
More like it.
Yeah, they just deep sixed your
Boom.
top barrel.
After.
Your tower might need a little attention. Well, when it rains, it pours. Now they've got mega creeps. Your middle tower is now past tense. Man, we are in trouble.
Silence all.
Don't look now, but your ancient's under attack.
Your turn to ban. You better pick your hero. 5 seconds.
Random.
10 seconds to pick your hero, you moron. 5 seconds, Morty. It'll be fine. What are we here for again? Trying to help these guys win a game? Win the game? Right, yeah, okay. 30 seconds until this place goes.
Sprink. Yes. Skip ahead. Gambling on.
Here we go, Rick.
Hoofing it.
The battle's about to go. Oh.
Ready or not, here I come. Okay. With skipping grace.
Udah.
Here I come.
Iya ano eh.
Nimbly
Sana
I
na
go.
enigma, spammer. Ako na libat.
I'm not ready.
Ay,
Prancing on. Oh. Let's race.
First blood!
I spring.
First blood.
Foraging. Sprink. It's a hop, skip, and a jump. Yeah. Heal us. Yeah. Enchanting.
I was under orders.
What time is
Tapi
it?
nawala.
Yes, it's killing time.
Uh-huh. Bearing down. It's a hop, skip, and a jump.
dugo.
Let's race. Enchanting. Yes. Oh. Come on. Better all the time. Foraging. Sprink. Nimbly I go. On the wild track.
Dark light!
Okay. Gambling on. Hilarious. Oh. Oh.
Shadow wave!
Here I come. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, healing power. Hey, I'm a predator. Skip ahead. Yeah.
Zap!
With skipping grace. Sprint. Horns out. I spring. Buckle down. Uh-huh.
Ayan.
Hoofing it. Prancing on.
Looks like dire structures are fortified.
Attack. Gambling on.
Your bottom tower's under attack.
After him.
Oh yeah, your bottom tower's under attack.
It's a hop, skip, and a jump. I
Your
go.
bottom tower's under attack. Oh man.
Mm-hmm. Yes. I'll trample you. Enchanting.
Level 6 no?
Nature attend us. Yep, there you go.
Killing spree!
Another petal falls.
Oh, yeah, they came
Morty,
on. Okay.
Middle tower. You might want to look at it. Middle tower's under attack. Come on, get with it.
Let's
Okay, wala po siya mana ba?
Hightailing it. Bouncy. Sprank.
Dark ko. Pilit.
Yeah. Skip ahead. Prancing on.
Hey, you might want
Here
to
I
kiss your
come.
bottom tower goodbye because it's gone.
Bili na yung booker ito. Sila ko pag-level.
Okay. Sprink. This is fun. Get him.
Kasi man.
Uh-huh. Come on, sprites. Run off. With skipping grace.
Safe word.
Yes. Oh.
The wind blows on many fronts.
Oh, wow.
It's a oh. Oh.
Shit pala.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Come to heel. Oh. Prancing on.
Hindi mo ko kabalo mga inani-nani.
Killing spree!
Kabalo mag-juke.
There they are. Sprank.
Breaker.
I'll run you down. Yes. Oh. Hightailing it. My sprites are with us.
Safe word. Shut away!
Oh. Okay. Wait up. Hoofing it. Oh.
Time is money.
Let's
Ganyan pa ko ba? Di ka patay. Mati na yun. Dugay kayo ito na sequence ba? Wag yun tabang. Tanawa. Wala gini mga hero. Lagi ba?
I'll just sharpen my spear and I'm ready to go.
Ito ang hero guys.
Here I go.
Hindi ka balo ma-joke ba?
Gaya namatay ato eh.
Gambling on.
Gali, hindi ka balo gali.
Dominating!
Yes.
Sila ba kayo? Wapo sila na ikuha. Wapo sila kapil.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower's gone. Serves them right.
Di mo sila kahit.
It's like that song.
There
Lump,
they
Ano
are.
gani?
Nukes, the nuke, nuke, nuke.
Naku na kayo itong time. Nay mo tabang. Wala gini tabang.
This is fun.
Huwag sila ng TP ato.
Ano pa niya? Tama na eh.
better. Healing power. Horns out.
Wala man goy vision siguro. Tangya lag vision din. Wow.
Here I come.
Bangat.
Spoink.
Bangin na lang. Ang one second skill.
Foraging.
Mega kill!
Wala ang flags. Oh.
Skip ahead.
Your middle tower's under attack.
Killing spree! Double kill!
Pura. Cool.
Puffin it. Spoink.
Okay.
New tracks to fall. Gotcha.
Ay, wala mana.
I spring. Enchanting. Oh. It's just not.
Ay lang. Boom. Ah, patay.
Late ko kabot.
An exquisite toxin.
Namatay man ang isa lang. Ay, wala siya dagger din.
There's an opportunity.
Yeah. Pure.
Yeah, let's do this. Here I come. Yes. Sprink.
Napul siya dito. Hello. Nakulan din. Kulan dito lang.
With skipping grace. Run off. I'll trample.
Grabe.
Yeah.
Nakul.
Spoink.
Wala yan, no? Wala pa yan.
Okay. Oh. Hey, I'm a predator. Oh. Let's race. Yes.
Wala na 9 seconds.
Ooh, Dire,
That's
you
a
gotta
hop,
fortify
skip,
them
and
their
a jump.
structures. Good work. Oh, come on. The middle tower's
Skip
under attack.
ahead. Gambling on.
Wala ko.
Ah, the enemy's bottom tower. It's gone. We did it.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Prancing on. Yeah. Yes.
Buhi ang.
Uh-huh.
Whoa, the enemy's top tower got destroyed.
Enchanting.
Oh boy, whoa, I can't, what a good work. What a good work you did.
Okay.
Blackpool.
Puffin it. After all.
Ay! Patay ko. O bantay. Black hole, one time. Tula ng black.
You're not going anywhere.
Black hole. Kasi, bantay lang na. Ito siya klima. Ay, balik siya klima. Gabangay ito. Balik.
This fawn's afternoon is looking up. Get him!
Patay.
I'm learning the old way. Wait up. Come on.
By Charlie.
Hindi na ba kaya, boy?
By Charlie lang gitu.
Hold on to your taters. That's a relief. Sprink. Yes. Nimbly I go. My darkness darken.
Tayo eh.
Yeah.
Ay, sig. Mamatay kayo.
It's a hop, skip, and a jump.
Agad.
Gotcha. Gambling on.
7 seconds.
It's not tiny.
Diba? Imong sarili.
Here I come.
Mega kill!
Skipping grace.
Ang
Pero ako babuhi pa siya sa iya na, magyatag.
Skip ahead.
Ang gitipihan ba kay namatay ang crew.
Horns out. I'm getting better at this.
Oh boy,
Let's race.
your top tower's under attack.
Sprink.
Your top tower's under attack.
The butt stops here. Buckle down.
Count ko sa imo itong malipaya.
Nag-fire.
Dili man, di ba?
Ano mo gano? Gano?
Oh jeez, middle tower's under attack.
Dispel man ata to.
Come on.
Kaya dispellable man untouchable. Patay chrono.
Fortune. Come on, sprites. Are you okay?
Double kill!
You tell us my husband's in your backside.
Lagi pa niya.
Skip ahead. Gambling on.
Kasi chrono. Ay, chrono. Kami sa replace yun.
Heads up, Morty. This could be a Nigerian scam.
Gotcha!
Here you go.
Killing spree!
Sprites are with us.
You took out the enemy's middle tower.
Says please!
I'm learning the old stuff, Uh-huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Get him. Enchanting. Foraging. Yes. Prancing on. Sprink. Yeah.
Kuya, galing.
With
Black hole lang.
skipping grace. You're mine. Nimbly I go.
Axes, please!
Ibaan lang ko. May black hole ka.
Yes. Hey, great.
Ako ko ano? Enigma.
It's a hop, skip, and a jump. Okay.
Kamu lang magpa-block.
Spoink.
Ay.
Spree!
Let's
Axes,
race.
please!
Here I come. Oh. Come get healed.
That force field leads me to believe that Dyer just fortified their...
Kung niyo apila sa block.
Skip and a jump.
Whoa! They took out the enemy's top tower!
Spoink.
Time is money.
This is fun. Uh-huh. I'll trample you. Mm-hmm. With skipping grace. Where are you going? Oh.
Killing spree!
Hey, all the
Axes,
time.
please!
Yes. Nimbly I go. Enchanting. Potent.
Wins.
Dazzle!
Yeah. Buck up.
Hooray! The enemy's bottom tower is destroyed. Hooray!
There they are. Skip ahead. Prancing on. The butt stops here. Foraging. High spring. Spoink.
Kita.
Yeah. Better and better. Okay. Gambling on.
Pasalo lang dito. Black hole.
Yes. Attack. Hightailing it. Here I come.
Dominating! Axes, please!
Spoink.
Ayun ako na.
Dazzle!
Foraging. High spring. Healing power.
Agay.
Here I come.
Axes, please! Then we can meet. Dominating!
Yes, sir.
Mega kill! Double kill!
I was one of them.
Ooh, they took out the enemy's middle tower!
Skip ahead.
Enemy's middle barracks just got wrecked, baby!
Okay.
The enemy's bottom barracks are destroyed! Enemy's bottom barracks are gone. Let's all say a prayer. Oh boy, this morning there's some pretty fantastic stuff happening right here. Yeah, you said
Let's
it right.
race.
Lapit siya ka black hole. Lata.
That force field leads me to believe that Dyer just fortified their structure.
Nasa
Ay,
nag-level.
Pray tell.
Whoa, the enemy's top tower's fallen!
With skipping grace.
Mega kill! Axes pleased!
The enemy's top barracks just got riggedy
Oh, man, I
wrecked,
can't
son.
believe it! You got mega creeps! You got a bunch of mega creeps!
Enchanting. Hoofing it.
Hold on.
Axes pleased!
By Dapple's darkest. Yes.
Wala nag-block.
Opera sprites are with us. Come on. With skipping grace. Horns out. Oh. I spring.
Fish.
Oh, the enemy's middle tower! They took out the enemy's middle tower!
Unstoppable!
Get him.
Killing spree!
Really departing.
Your death the moment you are born.
We did it! Or they did it, I should say! They did it! The Radiant people did it!
Last black hole.
Victory!
Hindi yun talaga.
Your turn to ban. 5 seconds remaining.
Will be unleashed. One.
5 seconds remaining.
Okay. Bird.
Yes. A chill wind. 30 seconds to battle.
Mid daw siya.
Siya lang pamida. Bantay lagi mo po.
Dead man drifting.
Baba na ako sa baba. Hitter man, no? May bunga.
Silencer ako.
Hitter.
Carry lang.
The battle
Carry.
begins. And so the dead will bury the dead. Yes. Agreed.
Usab ni. This is
Cold front coming. Forward. A chill wind. Truly. Frostbite.
Hindi namatay. Ah, namatay din. Pero DC na ni. DC na ni. Ito lang, reconnect na siya.
I am healed for me. Dead man drifting. Adrift. Yes.
ikaw man na naki-rebuild.
Sakit na yung leech, no? Sakit, no?
Cold front coming.
Sakit na yung first. Pero i-hit.
Sakit lang sakit ang bit.
Quickly.
I-master numbers.
Going. Forward.
Hindi mo na ikuan.
Forward. Cool down. Agreed. Dead man drifting. Yes.
Agay.
Quickly. Adrift. front coming. Truly. Going. Yes. I'm under attack. Winter.
Patay. Ah, wala namatay. Ayan. Bill 6 yun siya. Uy! Nag-juke na. Heal?
Quickly. Frost upon us.
Ayan, sige ako ano yung is-isa niyo. Ayan, isa niyo. Ito lang. Level 5. Hindi, pag-hit nyo lang. Kurakil mo na to.
Dead man drifting. Going. Cold front coming. Truly.
Ay, logi tas man.
Boom. Wala ni bounce. Sakit yun din na siya, no? Kanang bird. Nasay ka ng murag, ano ba? Na, saan eh? Nasay ka ng bash.
Rejects me.
Tape yung ano nila. Yeah. Back.
Yes. Put this soul to use. Cold cuts.
Time is money.
Agreed. Forward. Forward. Agreed. I am not ready. Truly, frost upon us. Yes. A chill wind. Dead man drifting.
Limana, pag mana.
Quickly. Going. Cold front coming.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Hindi na siya nagiging
Your top tower is under attack.
Sa 18. Battle Fury, di ba?
Adrift.
Galing, galing.
Truly.
May dagger no.
Your middle tower is under attack! Yes. The enemy's bottom tower has been denied. Axe needs something to chop. Man drifting in vigor. That's a little frost among friends. The frost spreads forward. I'll take that. Going. Wind. Adrift. Axe is glad that your bottom tower is not Axe's problem. Quickly. There's a little frost among friends. Your bottom tower is under attack. Cold front coming. Agreed. Dead man drifting. Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen. It could be worse. Or could it? A chill wind. Cold front coming.
Yan guys ulit.
Yes.
Ito yung laki mana.
I'm under attack. Adrift.
Mana din.
Quickly. Forward. Going. Yes. Truly. Yes. Quickly. Almost there. Your top tower is under attack. Not yet. Your top tower has fallen. Agreed. So Stay frosty. Attack. Truly. Dead man drifting. Some of the frost among friends. A chill wind. Forward. The enemy's middle tower has surrendered to gravity. Cold coming. Agreed.
Bang. Agay. Uy, hiwi.
Was this a kill spree?
Pakita na. Patay na siya. Buhay pa. Patay. Yehey.
I can't believe what I'm seeing.
Going.
Wala ka ko.
Like watching a nice family don't carry the defenseless butter.
Frost keep us. Quickly. Dead man drift. Stay frosty. Truly.
Hey!
Cold front coming. I'm up. Not my best kill.
Ay?
Line of duty.
Nabash dito. Ganibak.
Kapatay lang Ilse.
Siguro ni damage duel. Ando.
From cold death, I rise again. Forward. Yes. A frost upon us. Agreed. Truly. Frost keep us. Yes.
Kaya nga niya, uy, wala siya kauban.
Double damage.
Cold front coming. There's a little frost among friends. Feel the freeze. Don't make me chase you. Ah, scepter. Frost among friends. I'm under attack.
A killing spree. Dominate.
Feel ba?
Either my eyes are liars, or that's a mega kill.
Not yet. Quickly.
Disconnect na gin siya.
Sige lang, di man yung mga, ano,
Dead man
record mo yun.
drifting. Forward. Puny Radiant hides behind their fortifications. Going. The enemy's top tower has fallen. The enemy's top barracks have been abolished. Wind. The enemy's top barracks have
Oh,
fallen.
no one time. Agay.
Anyone who said this could be stopped, you're fired. This is textbook unstoppable. This is literally what being unstoppable
The enemy's
looks
middle
like.
tower has fallen. The enemy's middle barracks have fallen.
Si Marcy.
You broke the enemy's bottom tower. Axe approves. The enemy's bottom barracks have fallen! Axe likes! The enemy's bottom barracks have fallen. You now have mega creeps!
Mega.
Good work down there. Also, just so you know, I have called the police. I thought I was excited before. No. Now, monster kill. Kill spree. Monster kill. GOD got triple kill.
The enemy's middle tower has surrendered to gravity!
Ultra kill here.
Radiant structures are fortified with 12 important vitamins and minerals!
It's like watching a hammer pound on nails. Until nails are just filled with blood.
Crap. This is crap.
Axe awards the victory honors to the Dire!
Kaiba, kaiba.
Freeze frame that one!
Your turn to ban. 5 seconds remaining. Ten seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Vengeance is my mistress. Yes.
Prepare for battle.
If you insist. I am there. Very well.
30 seconds to
As
battle.
you wish.
Ingon. Ay.
Let my vengeance soar.
Pad siya, pad.
My sentiments precisely.
The battle begins.
Mahok ko.
I fly in the midst of war. At last,
Ayun.
I fly.
First blood.
With a vengeance.
And plenty for both of us.
If I must.
Nakakuha nga na si Justin. Wala, no? Ano mo set?
Wala mo ito ng dadula.
Vengeance flies beside.
Wala.
I'm under attack. To battle. I am not arguing.
Punch.
Four.
Sana po yung mahok.
As you wish.
Kaya lang.
Faster. To battle.
Kaya lang.
Yes. To lie my next. With a vengeance. As you wish. My sentiments precisely. My spirit soars. Vengeance flies beside.
Okay.
I am not arguing. The time has come.
Natin ano. Uy!
It's not time yet. Sheathe one blade
Hit!
in the scabbard of your bow.
Okay. Pero ma-hook ka. Patayin na tanandaan.
Put in their place.
Hindi kaya. Mga daw, be.
Bugo man na.
Wait lang. Pag mo yun. Hindi na ako mabutang.
Let my vengeance soar. May the sky surrender to my coward. I fly. I am there. Faster. I am there. Get over it! Attack! Magic missile. Yes.
Hindi pa dito.
Vengeance flies beside.
Unat mo siya.
Kunat niya kayo.
Isod pa rin sa lane. Ay.
With a vengeance. I fly.
Oh, you thought you were winning?
My sentiments precise.
Kill spree!
Yehey.
What do you know?
You rotten.
Hacking at limbs, blood spraying everywhere. Just adorable.
If I must. Faster
Bantay wala.
to battle. As you wish. I am not arguing.
Tapos ko padulong sa ano. Sa taas.
As you wish.
Patay mo.
My vengeance soar.
Get me to the understate. I will rise.
By my wings. I am not arguing.
Patayin mo sila.
Very well. My sentiments.
Ah, joke na sa
Messing
stock
middle.
ako. Wait. Sneaks. Sneaks.
Messing middle.
Not ready.
Okay.
Messing middle.
As you wish.
Messing middle.
I don't think this has anything to do with defending infants.
Alright, make yours a little. Overzealous.
Kill spree mine.
Kapatay mo ko rin. Dargan na nila dito.
Not yet.
Your top tower is under attack.
The time has come. I fly.
Ano to?
Let my vengeance soar.
Oh shit.
Day.
Boy, flashmates!
Oh!
You covered in blood. Big smile, you big dumb face. Oh, this is it. Who's gonna stop?
Wow, the
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Faster.
Double damage!
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Yes.
Pitas na to. Sakiro ba?
Cast your shadow, Madame Jakiro.
Umok ka.
Vengeance flies beside me.
Umok lang pod.
May item. Wala item box lang.
I am there.
215.
As you wish. Vengeance flies beside me. Yes. I fly.
Swap, swap.
Yeah, I do.
That was never going to end well for you.
Battle.
Nanangguan.
Faster. I am mortal.
Hero.
You down there, I want you to know this is part of doing something. You're gonna hang for what you've done to me. You hear me? This is cool.
The time has come.
Radiant
Ay, okay.
structures are fortified.
Aga na. Swap lang. Kung kayo na kailangan. Bye-bye.
Dire's structures are fortified.
If you insist. Let me stretch my wings. I am here.
Is that right? They have to be on some kind of killing spree to get those numbers.
Гнидыч, бля.
If
По-моему,
you insist.
даже не гнидыч, ты параши, блядь.
Sabah. GG. Добробіще робив.
Blessings upon a loyal warrior.
Let my vengeance soar. As you
Greg, you know that? Dominant.
precise. It's not time yet.
Enemy's bottom
Okay.
tower has fallen.
Wow, escape eh.
I'm being told I'm supposed to say own it. I don't like it.
Tis mine.
Suraw, nagbutang ng kabag-ulang sa ako gado. Oh,
Killing spree! Killing spree!
ay ate, wala ko'y mana.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Shit, may pag may stamina. Agay.
I fly. I will slake my thirst for revenge. Yes.
Isn't that a pretty thing?
As you wish.
Где ты нахуй такой вальщик?
Very well. With a vengeance. Four. Faster. I'm under attack.
Pakita to yung kuan ba nagtipi.
Stop. That's what that means.
Kuya nila dira eh.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
May kuan ng profit ba nagtipi tapos
Radiant
namatay.
structures are fortified.
Four. With a vengeance. If I must.
Почему ты фармишь, блядь, долбоёб?
Very well. If you insist. You shall be broken like my wings. My vengeance is in readiness. I am there. Let my vengeance soar. Yes.
Бля, вы чисто три долбоёба.
Roshan has fallen to the down.
As you wish.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Dire's structures are fortified. Your bottom tower is under attack.
I am not
Wala, mabda na.
Your bottom tower is fallen.
Wala,
The
mabda na
enemy's
sa
top
AM.
tower has
Lo!
fallen. Your bottom
Lo,
tower
lo.
is under attack.
Good work down there. Also, just so you know, I have called the police.
feel. By the blood of kings.
Should've just let me have my fun.
The enemy's top tower has fallen. The enemy's top barracks has fallen. The enemy's top barracks has fallen.
It was a double kill.
Shall die by my blade.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. The enemy's middle barracks has fallen. Radiant structures are fortified.
My sentiments precise.
Godlike.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen. The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen. The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen. We now have mega creeps.
Kuman na.
Yes. As you wish. I am under attack.
You are unstoppable. Full stop. Don't actually stop.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Nati one
The
tin din.
enemy's middle tower has fallen.
With a vengeance.
Whoa! Yes, that is a double kill.
Dire victory.
Hehe. Dia main dan dia.
Your turn to ban. 5 seconds remain. Ten seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Axe is ready. Rest is for the dead. Prepare for battle! To the enemy! "30 seconds to battle." Axe runs. Axe charges. Cut and run! The battle begins! There can be no battle till axe is at hand. And axe is. Good day to fight. First blood.
First blood. Squishy.
To battle. Axe goes. Forward. Enemies need killing. Fight if you can. Into war's teeth. Axe takes your coin. Axe is under attack. Into war's teeth. Rest is for the dead. To battle. Prove yourself. Here comes the axe. Oh. Good day to fight. Enemies need killing. Forward. Taste, show your worth. Wet my blade. Axe kills you. Axe hacks. To the enemy. Prove yourself. Axe charges. You were just cut and run. Axe rises in rank. Axe goes. Axe runs. Forward. Rest is for the dead. Show your worth. Axe brings the axe. To the enemy. Axe runs. Denied. Axe is under attack. A slice of the axe. Fight if you... Axe attacks. Enemies need killing. Cut and run. Good day to fight. Prove yourself. Into war's teeth. Axe goes. Attack! To battle! Fight! It's here! Axe charges!
Hilo sa taas
Enemies
pa lang.
need killing! Axe runs!
Oh, tinlo.
Into war's teeth! Axe takes all! Show your worth! To battle! Cut and run! To the enemy! Good day to fight! Prove yourself! Forward! Axe charges! Again?
Enough hemming.
Rest is for the dead. Cut and run! Axe is under attack!
Ay! Parang pa ko na level 6.
Axe cuts anew!
DC na DC.
Axe charges!
Wala ka.
To the enemy!
Pipitan na
Axe
yan.
runs! To battle! Into war's teeth! Gold for steel! Axe trades in death! Radiant structures are fortified! Forward! Enemies need killing!
Kaya din.
Good day to fight! Axe is a cutter. Axe goes.
Ano?
With me. Rest is for the fight if you can. I'm on the mend. Rest gets up. Axe attacks. Axe runs. Fight if you can.
Uy! Wala ako gihapak. Namatay man.
Attack! The enemy's top tower has fallen. Oh, good day, sir, indeed.
Si tulid. Si tulid na. Pero recorded. Nag-quit
Radiant's
lang yun
towers
siya.
are fortified, just like Axe. Your middle tower is under attack. Better red than dead. Into war's teeth.
Wait siya, kaya mag-end score.
Axe go.
Bountiful.
Yourself. Come to that. A slice of the action. This ends you.
Do kabuk ng suyok, mana og light.
To battle.
Nado pa ka
The
ito.
enemy's middle tower has fallen. That was done in the spirit of Axe.
Excel. Disconnect na po siya.
Axe charges. Into war's teeth. Good day to
Wait na
fight.
sila. Hindi na, last game naman to.
Wet my blade.
Ay, sige, isa na lang ka game. Karan. Last game ka na ako.
To the enemy.
Ngayon i-push. Kailangan pa i-push.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen. Enemies need killing.
Pati na para.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Rest.
Wala ang
Axe
PC.
charges. Axe is under attack. Cut and run. Axe run. The enemy's middle tower has surrendered to gravity.
Tigwi pag yun.
Forward. Axe charges.
Gaya rin.
Cut and run.
May mga damage pag may mga weapon
Axe
po.
go. Proving they are no hacks. Dyer takes the day. Not that there's anything wrong with hacking. Victorious!
You're up. Make your band. 5 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds.
Okay, level 20. Daog na ta. Daog na ta na.
All right, get ready. All right, gang, 30 seconds.
Indeed. By my wings. Very well then. Forth and willingly.
Gino.
That's how much they've got. You should have two.
Wala sila PA. Gwapo gano.
I dedicate my power to the lost. Yeah! He's right.
No, PA.
As it is in
Scan.
So kind to make a donation.
Ay.
my death means nothing next to ours.
Yeah, okay.
Winds of hell, I fear not, for they carry me to Kara. Consider the consequences. It is mine. As I will. You thought this through? None threaten me. I deserve this. To a new land. My power is summoned. I go as bid. Just so. By the ancient powers. Undoubtedly. You have entered my realm. I'm not ready. You'll have no cause to question me. Arcane. Yeah. Indeed. I shall not regret you. 'Tis my honor. That may well be. Be it thus. Yes. I'll break their wings. Consider the consequences. You've thought this through?
Look out!
Level 28.
Indeed. Yeah. Deny. Very well then. That may well be. I accept. Avila accepts me. The truth of my heart shall be writ upon the sky. Be it thus. The time has arrived. Who dares fly against me? As it is in my power. Just so. Lesser being would grow dizzy at such heights. I'll bide my time. By the bloody finger. Mine, I think. It is right. My power is summoned. You'll have no cause to question me. As I will. By my wings.
Wala ba ito eh.
Forth and willingly. I go as bid. Undoubtedly. To a new landing. Indeed. 'Tis my honor. Yes. You've thought this through? Just so. You deny? It is right. Higher as it is in my power. Undoubtedly. Indeed. Be it thus.
Your middle tower's taking a beating.
That may well.
It is getting smashed all to hell.
Consider the consequences. Think of it as a new beginning.
Patay ko. Abang.
I go as bid.
Bullseye!
I rededicate my magic to the nest of thorns. My power is summoned. By my wings.
Double time.
Forth and willingly. As I will.
Tower's under attack there.
Of Spria.
You people, I'm using the translation here. I know you're probably a giant or a robot made out of berry powder or whatever. But you people need to handle this, and I mean yesterday.
I'll bide my time.
Piluan lang ang kuhan na. Patay. Ah!
To a new landing.
Okay.
You'll have no cause to through me.
My mind is breathing at you.
By my wings. Consider the consequences. I'm under attack. Indeed. I go as bid. My power is summoned. Indeed. To a new landing. Very well then.
Pwede siya.
Just so. Of Azuko. All I do. Thought this through?
Sila PA, no!
That may
Big
well
dagger
be.
sa spiders.
Yes. Undoubtedly.
Tayo na gid ako.
Yes.
Nakuha ko rata to eh.
Word.
As it is in my power.
Ayaw.
Sit antidote.
Gotcha!
As I will.
Akurat lang nila.
It is
Ano, mabot na po na yung kuhan.
We serve the same purpose. All.
Matay.
Yeah.
Wala ko yung mana.
You'll have no cause to question.
Yati, wala ko yung mana. Really? Really? Kachaman. Ay. May tutuglay. Akurat lang ila ba? Upat siguro siya kabuo.
The tower might need a little attention. You have fortified the hell out of those structures. Good job.
Yung nag-stun.
Upat siguro siya kabuok, no? Oh? Halo sila sa kwan.
You know, just because your tower is being attacked doesn't mean it's never mind. It's gone. This is gone.
Take that as you will. Be it thus.
Akurat ilang style. Tanawa na good ng ilang work. Pero ang PA na ilang di kauban. Kaya ang PA. Purata lang. Purata lang. Kaya mabuhi na ang...
Bide my time.
Hey, your top tower is under attack.
Just so. As I will.
Oh, man!
Miss lagi akong kuha.
Bas. Kalingaw ni guys. Paspas. Paspas ang pipin ako.
To a new landing.
Oh.
My power is summoned. I end your
A lot of
life.
towers under attack there.
Akuratan na punta ni sa kuan. Sa sliders.
Forth and willingly. Not yet. You'll have no cause to. Total stun.
Akuratan.
I'll die. Ancient seer.
Yan, akuratan siya.
Yeah. You've thought this through? Be it thus. I'm not ready. Yes. Fly. Fly. Indeed. Yes. It is right. Yeah. Indeed.
Ay, sig spam bun, kaya maduwil ko.
As it is in my power.
Balo sila siya.
I go as bid.
KS bagay. Oh.
Very well then.
Is-isan ba sa mukha?
Ulo ka is. Ang ending ko, kaya po ko ikaw.
Tis my honor. Yeah. That may well be.
Ay, wala ko'y kuha.
Tis my honor. I'll bide my time.
Wala ko siya nagporta ako. Yung ranger ko, patay.
That may well be. As it is in my power. I go as bid.
Tapok.
It is right.
Tapos na. Para ma-secure.
Be it thus.
Batas na buhay siya.
Just so. You'll have no cause to question me. You have entered my realm. Yes. Undoubtedly. Very well then. My power is summoned.
Nice. Their top tower is
Oh, is-isi na, tanan. Tura, is-isa na, tanan.
Sila po yung na-surprise.
They fortified their structures.
Surprise. Tulog yun sila ni Tama ang maluya. PA wala na po. Wala lagi na siguro na sila. Upat siguro na sila na. Upat sila tapos parte ang upat niya. Ang PA lang lahi siguro.
Support nila ng PA ba?
Bobo, PA. Uban.
Indeed. Forth and willing.
Great, their bottom tower is all busted up.
Yes.
Surprise kanila. Sila rin na-surprise.
You've thought this through? By my wings. Indeed. Consider the consequences. That may well be. In the name.
Hey,
by
the top
my
tower is
wings.
under attack.
Yeah. I go as bid. Be it thus. To a new landing. Undoubtedly. Forth and willingly. Consider the consequences.
Wala ka na natin. Wala ka, wala ni Iba.
By the ancient powers.
Nakay-tipit na.
Yes.
Madara ni Uban na ilang PA.
As I will.
Reactive ka sila ba? Sama man sila permi, no?
Very well then. Prepare for a reckoning. As it is in my power. Rokara! Who dares fly against me? Not yet. Just so. Arcane are my ways. Indeed. I'm not ready. Yeah. It's mine.
We will not taste death.
My power is summoned. All creation lies strewn below me. You'll have no cause to question me. Scythe of Ice. It is right.
Das buwan kay Windrunner, wala tay view kay kanang
You've thought this
nakabikibi
through?
na biya na.
Bibi na? Oh no.
Indeed.
Ang sarili lang akong material. Kuratan na bumili ko diyan. Kuratan kayo.
I'll draw. Not yet.
You fortified your structures.
Be it thus.
Do you need your top tower? I'm only asking because it's being destroyed.
Kuratan ito.
As it is in
May ikos lang, ano
It's
ikos
written by
lang.
the victors, so you might save yourself a writing assignment here.
Indeed. No, it's not time. Yeah. I go as bid.
Ay, kuan. Linking.
Yes. My power is summoned. It is right.
Sila mo sa kulay.
That may well be. I'm not ready. Hey, I'm not ready. Yes.
Di boy.
Patay. Matili dito. Matili dito.
Consequences.
Ay. Kuratan ba na yun?
As I will.
Kuratan. Pakuratan.
I'll bide my time.
Ngayon na kung kuhan this smoke.
Forth and willingly. To a new landing.
Kita ko yung horot na yun.
Just so.
First one. Lutan na lang.
You've thought this through? You'll have no cause to question me. Tis my honor. Undoubted.
Wala, wala word.
By my wing. By my wing.
Ano to?
It is right. Very well then.
Dito.
Undoubtedly.
Uh-oh. Radiants fortified their structures.
Yes.
Top tower is down.
Forth and willingly.
Oh, nawala na Aegis. Yulat ng
My power is summoned. Yes. Yeah. Just so. I'm not ready. You'll have no cause to question me. I'll bide my time.
Dibahin. Ano pa yung Silver Edge naman?
That may... Okara! Fly where you will, I will... Hi-ya! I go as bid. Be it thus.
This will do nicely. By the goddess Austria.
Consider the consequences. Tis my honor. To a new landing. Indeed.
Okay. Smoke na sila. Likuron tayo. How'd sila?
Your bottom tower's down.
Ano sila?
Laid the boots to that thing. Nice work.
You'll have no cause to
PA, di na mo gawas.
Ano man? Kahit mga divine. Kasi PKB. Ano sila?
Consider the consequences.
Hello.
I'll bide my time. Yes. Tis my honor.
Kita. Agay. Wala gitu. Dulu begini maksudnya. Aduh.
Ako ang di ba?
Kuwan di ba guys? Ano siya? Agalims. Patay. Agay.
I'll break the...
Kahit na pala siya divine, siguro.
I'm not ready. Immortality. Not yet. Very well then.
Level 28 na ng Juggernaut to. Wala.
Just so.
Bang ikuha kung makambakan ko dyan.
By my wings.
Oh!
Indeed. Forth and willing. Be it thus. To a new landing. Avila sends me. Attack.
KB na sa tanan no. Hindi mo diba? Akong pakita ka na wala si KB.
My power is summoned. Not. Hiya! Hey, I'm not ready. Hiya! The Skyrath live through me. As it is in my
Para sila
power.
sa base.
That may well be.
Yeah, their bottom tower is down.
As I will. No, it's not time. Yeah. I go as.
Base kita.
No, it's not time. Indeed. Not yet. Not yet. It is right. This of Aquilva upon you.
Agoy.
That may well be.
Nagawas.
Nabayad ako niya dito papasok, may lahaw.
Indeed. Undoubtedly.
Nagpuan lang. 3 seconds. Game.
Just so. I gotta.
Yeah.
I go as it is.
Bang. Hindi ba yun?
Yeah. You'll have no cause to question me. I'm not ready. It's not
Agay.
Restore her to the nest of thorns.
So dyan ay mag-hydrang. BKB yung agay.
It even cut through the gristly bits.
Divine ito na.
Dami ka na i-duel.
Damage.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
May mga SS. Hintay ka choka. O diba wala ka katiti. Matay na yun.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
The ghastly Eerie waits in readiness. Very well then. Fine. Not yet. Yes. Hiya! Hiya!
Ba.
My power is summoned.
Might want to haul ass over to your top tower.
Diba nga
But hey,
Tis
plan
mine.
to
Stun.
get back in there.
The truth of my heart.
Might want to haul ass over to your top tower. Oof,
As it is
oof,
in
this is
my
gruesome.
power.
I mean, you have to feel some kind of responsibility.
By my wings. Forth and willingly. I'll bide my time. Illusion. Indeed. It is right. You've thought this through? To a new landing. Yes. Yeah.
Diba?
Be it thus. I'll bide my time. No, it's not time yet. I go as bid. Be it thus. Just so. Yeah. Undoubtedly. I'm not ready. Not yet. Hey, I'm not ready. Yes. That may well be. My power is something. I'm not ready.
Sabay ba?
At least your death was honorable, if not your cause.
Indeed. Rush! By my wings. Indeed. No, it's not time. Very well then. I'm not ready.
Mati.
Tis my honor. Yes. Not yet.
Really? So gaya ko rin dagger na. Ako gem. Wala may gem. Out of stock. Matay. Bubog. Bogo. Ni spin pag yun.
The middle tower's taking a beating. I'd get over there if I was you.
You'll have no cause to question. No, it's not time yet. It is right. It's not time yet. It's not time yet! You've thought this through? Not yet. To a new landing.
Baybak.
Yeah. I'm not ready. As it is.
Gaya.
It's Rush! It's not time yet. You'll have no cause to question.
Haste.
No, it's not time. None My power is summoned. Tip to tip my cover the sky. As it is in my power. Yeah. By my wings.
Immortality!
I'll bide my time.
Idis na siya doon. Mamatay. Mamatay.
To a new landing.
Ako sila sa bait.
As I will. I go as bid. That may well be. Rush! Very well then. Consider the consequences. You've thought this through? Yeah! Tis mine. Yes. Be it thus. Fly where you will, I will follow you there. Just so. You have entered my realm. Not yet. Come down. Aya! Tis my
Tapok. Tapok.
forth and willingly. Yeah. Indeed. It is right.
Ay, magtapok. Tawo.
I'm not Indeed.
Ayaw yung
You have
tawo.
no cause to question. Yeah. Yes. I'm not ready. My wings.
Namatay. Wait, pakita mo.
Be it thus.
Agay.
Yes. My
Double
power
ram.
is summoned. Indeed. I go as bid. I'm
Akin
down.
din.
As it is in my power. Just so. You've thought this through? Not yet. It is right.
Gaya ni mo man.
Arcane are my ways.
Ay, ba mo? Double rampage. Pag yun yan. Nangamatay lang yan.
I'm not ready.
Baybak mo to sila.
As I will.
Yan. Wala na yung vibe. Sakay mo daw. 43 minutes na ba yan?
To a new landing. I'm not ready.
Bayot kayo lang yung style na lang sa base.
That may well
Nagwa po ang pulang high ground.
Yeah. You'll have no cause to question me. Not yet. As I will. Not yet. Yeah. Forth and willingly.
Hindi sila magawa sa base.
To a new
Place na
land.
burn ang BKB.
I'll bide my time. My power is summoned. I As it is in my by my wings. You have thought this through?
Ayo sa, bisig mambakan mo dia. Dua mo lang makabuo.
Very well then. Undoubtedly.
Pressure shard.
Yes.
Kuha.
Yes.
Hindi, kuha ang pressure shard. Ano kuha to?
This will do nicely. Be it thus.
Uyan, ay. Hindi gusto mo gawas sa mukha nila.
Indeed.
Sure ano ba? Kung mapildi tayo sa clash, no? Mahuman, di ba?
The consequences.
Pinsay mapildi yan sa clash.
Urot mo sila gani ha.
Dapat masigurado yun.
Sila iba-iba.
Forth and willingly. I'm not ready.
Sige sila mong gawas, no?
Very well then.
Ay, tapok. Ay, blink mo ng kuha.
Not yet. My power is summoned. Not yet. Undoubtedly.
Kill sa ako.
I'm not ready.
Nagugaan ng balak. Apil din sa clash, oh no! Ano sila iba-iba? O diba? O diba, namatay. Patay. Ano, may buyback. So. Buyback mo dahil yun. Ako, wala ko 2-3 minutes so man ang buyback. Wala na ko na skill ang kuwan.
Arcane mysteries.
Kasi wala pagyapon na human. Ano niya gisinggol lang ko. Hindi na lang. Nga siguro.
Small suffering compared
Natin
to that
eh.
is mine. I go as bid.
Double damage.
Yes. Indeed. It's mine. He's right.
Agoy. Pakita na ito. Tara.
Indeed.
Death is a war I have already entered.
You'll have no cause.
Why, Venom?
That may well be. Yeah. Just so. Yes.
Hindi namatay,
Consider the
Chok.
consequences.
Sorry, Chok.
As I will. I'm not
I hope your friends were watching, because they're next.
Kasi, wala nagkakuha ng Juggernaut.
Talaga siya double blade, isa ni ko. Runner.
The middle tower's taking a beating. Hey, you really need to handle this. All right, middle tower's down.
Yep.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
Wala, wala natanggal. Yep.
Bottom tower's under attack there. Are you letting them do this?
Oh shit, ah.
Might want to look into your bottom tower. Bottom tower just bit the brick
Di ba
biscuit.
niyo, ay, napunit niya?
How do you like your middle tower? I hope you like it destroyed, because it is. Tower's under attack there.
as I will.
Okay.
I have good news.
Napaisa dito,
You
napaisa.
invaded your bottom tower.
Sa Juggernaut na.
Fact. You know what? Let them have it. We got bigger fish to fry.
Ground.
Yati, dugim dito mamatay. Kuhan.
By my will.
Masakad to.
Taas, level 2 na guro to iyang dying.
I'm not ready.
It's not time yet.
Saan?
One hit.
Pabayba ko ko.
Is through. Not my wish. Not yet. Very well.
Kakay Russian dyan. Ilan naman yung Russian eh.
You'll have no cause to question me.
Oh, napo ko yung ba yun?
We will not taste death.
Forth and willingly. I'll bide my time. The skies are dark with sky wrath power.
Hindi, ikaw din.
Indeed. No, it's not my need.
Nabuhi.
It is
Napuya na niya yun.
undoubtedly.
Hindi sila, gahi ay gila lang kuhan.
Tis my honor. Be it thus. Not yet. Hey, I'm not ready.
Sila magawa sa base ba yun?
Yes. To a new landing. As it is in I'm not ready. Just by the guns of Spriak. My power is summoned.
Palapit.
I go as it is.
Patay.
I'm not ready. Not yet. Indeed. Mystically under attack. Yeah.
Natig. Oh, tipot. So namatay siya. Namatay po ko. Namatay. Ito sila na ikuha. Ito sila na iba-ibak. Ay, namatay man. Hanap po iba-ibak ko. Oh. Oh, BKB. Agan. Ay. Ano naman? Ay. Diba? Apa man ako ngayon? Madiri 1 hour na turbo choke.
Sumubok. Ang last game ba yate na eh. Nag-live gyapon ko.
Oh.
Regeneration.
Naina nila eh, kasabwat mo siguro sila. Kasabwat mo ninja Gernot siguro ko. Kalaban.
Power comes from the heart, and now mine beats. Consider the consequences. I'm under attack! I go.
Abang.
As it is in my power.
Para puro na mga kuan.
Tama ko iba-iba. Sayang. Oh, mapildit ah. Kina-idol. Uy! Ay! Matay nila yung. Matay man, namatay. May buyback ng kung ano. Tipihar, ako na. Alam siguro sila buyback. Kasi buyback, choke ha. So, kung buyback. Titipihan naman. Sila ang walay buyback.
Wala na sa iba-iba, kurot na.
Ako kay 1 minute. Sige, tipihan dito, tipihan dito. Buyback niya, tipi. Hala! BKB! Sige, pati na. Hala ka! Ay! Sayang! Wala na niya. Pwede ay. Yan yun. Sige na lang. Back ba?
Just so.
Yan, matay naman siya. Pinakog mabaybak pa. Magiday na matay. Yes. Diba? Another 1 hour na po na yun.
That may well be. Not I'll bide my time. You've thought this through? As I will. Forth and willingly.
Ilang po na sila mo po.
I'm not ready. 'Tis my honor. Yes.
Diba?
It is right.
Huwag isa.
Undoubtedly.
Buksan sila.
Not very well then.
Kuwata ng win.
Ano ko na?
Just so.
Kuha na ko tanong.
Sakit kayo ba?
Pero mag-BKB rin muna sila buwan.
Yes.
Bakit? Lagi ba?
I'm not ready. It's not. Kara! You thought this took.
1 hour na gitsuk.
Tis my honor.
1 hour na gyud.
Yeah. I go as bid.
Kailan na gina naka-Russian. Ito na.
By my wings.
Ayaw.
Not
Bukbukon lang.
indeed.
Wala ta ang kuhan. Not.
Not yet.
Gold for me.
Undoubtedly. It's not time yet. As it is in my
Hawa na yun. Ay, ano lang. Oh. Abhang.
the time has. Indeed.
Pagay. Uy, uman na. Uy, wala. Really? Wala na giho.
Wala, nag
Oh, ay, tama din ako. Kaya nga to. Pag ni dagger siya. 1 hit na lang. Ay, mas tipihan. Bye-bye. Liugi man ta, isa naka-hit naman sa PA. Ayan. Bye-bye. Ngati, gamay na lang manikuan. O, pila naka-hit. Ano na nila?
Taste my venom.
Hindi, mabuhi pa day mo.
They're giving your middle barracks a once-over.
Dagan. Wala, na-distract sila. BKB chok! Ay, wala kay BKB. Wala, nahuman na. Ayan. Nabilin din ba? Tawo ka, Toy! Sayang! One hit. Ayan. 1 hit na lang. Ayan to, 1 hit naman to.